Now that you've written at least one email, you understand the basics of email communication. To personalize your emails, change the appearance of the text. You might want to underline certain words, change them to bold, or make them larger. This is called formatting. Changing the format can make emails easier to read, emphasize words that are important, or call out dates and times. The formatting options in Gmail can be used in other apps too, such as Google Docs and Google Slides. To start, open your Gmail account and compose a new message. Write an email about any topic you'd like. Perhaps you want to confirm your plans with your friend, or you want to give them more options for your activities together. First, type your message. When you're done, change the appearance of the text to personalize your conversation or make it easier to see. To do this, use your mouse to highlight the words you want to change. Then, click the font icon that corresponds with the change you want to make. Make the font bold, which is a thicker and darker color. Add an underline to the text selected. Change the style of the font. The color, or the size. Whatever changes you make, choose formatting that is still easy to read and makes sense for the purpose of the email. A font that is too small, very light, or brightly colored can make it difficult for the email recipient to read your message. It may be inappropriate for a professional email, but for a personal email, you can have more fun. Next, add a link to your email. If you completed the previous activities, you created a document in Google Docs and included different links to websites you found in your search for activities. Follow the same process to include links in an email. Pick one of the URLs from your Google Doc. Highlight the word or words you would like to link in your message. Click on the link icon at the bottom of the email. Then, paste your link into the web address field in the pop-up form. You can change your link later if you'd like, or remove it without changing the content of your email. If you don't want to link any particular word in your email, but you want to provide a link for your friend, copy and paste a URL directly into the message. You might choose to include the URL instead of linking text if you think the email recipient will want to see the name or type of website referenced. When you send the message, a clickable link will be created automatically. Remember to be careful when linking to different websites. Make sure the content is safe for both you and the email recipient to visit. Finally, move on to the next video where you will learn to include an image. Now, it's your turn. Open a new email. Change the format of the text, such as the color, size, font, or emphasis. Add a link. Move on to the next video.